Today I am going to show you how you can change LEVO 20S or LEVO 20 controller. For access to controller space that is located someplace here, we need to fold the bike. So first of all, we make sure that the bike is off and then start the process of the folding the bike. First of all, fold the handlebar, take the key, fold the handlebar, then open the lock, the folding lock, and then fold the bike. As you see, in the left hand side, there is 4 screws that if we open these screws, we can access to the controller room. We need a Phillips tool to open the screws. Then open the cap slightly, move it backward, and then bring the wires slowly out. Please watch, don't pull too much the wires because it may disconnect the wires. Then you need to disconnect wires and connectors one by one, very slowly and carefully. This is the main wire. Yeah. This is the power wires that goes to the motor. Yeah. This is the last connector that it belongs to the rear light, tail light. Use other controller to attach to the wires one by one and carefully. Please see the arrow. Yeah, both arrows should be toward each other, and each connector has same arrow. You can see the next one. The connectors are unique, and the male and female is different for the receiver and sender. So there is no duplicated connector that you mix up or you think that it's hard. But for these connectors, the power connectors, this is cadence sensor connector. It's a S connector that you see. It should attach like this. These are phase connectors of the power for the motor. The color by color it has to attach. Blue to blue, yellow to yellow, and green to green. I show you a close look here. Yeah, these 3 phase wires. Then we connect the battery wires, actually power wires, red and black, to the controller. And the last things and most important is the connector of the motor. This is 6 little wires that should attach. Let me Go closer to the wire and be careful, do not pull it. Very carefully attach this wire, this connector actually. Now we're almost done. We need to put back the connector into the compartment. Put the wires one by one and actually make sure that the wires are not pulled and connectors are freely over there. And also make these wires that they are out for the folding, they have a spring on them there, and please make sure that these wires, when you want to unfold, they go inside freely. Then at the end we put the cap back. Now the cap is in the position and fixed. We are going to unfold the bike. When you want to unfold, make sure that these wires goes inside smoothly and do not pinch the wires. Okay, unfold the handlebar, lock it in the position, and try to turn on the bike display and see if everything is fine. Yeah, the display comes up and it's fine. The scratches that you see in this screen, it's for the plastic protective cover, and you can remove this plastic, then display will be clear.